my absolute favorite recipes to make, especially for the immune system, but this is also a natural anti-inflammatory, is a turmeric milk, or otherwise known as a golden milk. So this is my own recipe. I love the beauty benefits of this. I love the brain benefits of this, the anti-inflammatory, so for painful joints and things. This is fantastic, but also for a strong immune system. So first you're going to turn on and warm up your pot, and you're going to add a milk of your choice. So this is completely up to you. If it is a non-dairy milk, just make sure there's no synthetic vitamins in there. This is something that I talk about in other videos, as well as you want to make sure that there's no gums or gels, and carrageenan is the big one to look out for because it could be very inflammatory for you. So whatever type of milk, this is almond milk, so I'm going to add this into my pot and warm this up. And again, making sure that it's not going to burn. Now, to get the high concentration of the turmeric and the curcumin, I am using from our sponsors at Vitatree the turmeric with the 95 percentile of the curcuminoids with that added curcumin. Now, this one does not have pepper, so very different from other turmerics on the market, and it does contain quercetin. Now, quercetin is also fantastic for the immune system. It's a great anti-inflammatory as well. So I'm adding in 2 capsules. Now, depending on how many servings you're making, if I make this for, my husband and I, then I use 4 capsules, so usually 2 capsules per person, and depending on how much milk that you're using as well. So you can see the beautiful coloration of that turmeric and especially that concentrated curcumin from the capsules. So opening that up, and now I'm going to whisk that in as this is gently heating. So you don't want to heat at too high a temperature. And continuing to watch this as it slowly reaches that great temperature at that boiling point. So the next step now is to add some cinnamon, and this is going to add some great flavor, but we know that cinnamon helps to regulate our insulin levels and is a great anti-inflammatory as well. So I'm going to use a couple of pinches, or more than a couple of pinches of cinnamon. I like it to be very cinnamony, if that's a word. There we go. And whisking this in. And now it's ready to pour into my mason cup jar. There we go. Okay. And if you like, you can sweeten with a little bit of honey, but this is not necessary. It's totally up to you. But a little bit of honey is great. Now, of course, if you're doing keto, you're watching your fructose, then you wouldn't add the honey, but a little bit of that honey for flavor is fantastic. Now, some of the other things that I have added into the mix before is a little dash of ginger powder, and some people like to add a little bit of pepper as well, so that's completely up to you, but a great way to support your immune system on those cold winter nights. Enjoy.